Hey y'all, this is the sound of the rain hitting my old tin roof on my old home. I have a home with an old tin roof. I thought it'd be a nice relaxing sound for y'all to listen to. I know some people don't have tin roofs and you never known what the rain sounds like on a tin roof. It sounds pretty cool in a way if you're not used to it. But I know some people always wondered what it sounded like. That's why I did a video on it. So those of you who don't live with a tin roof can know what it sounds like having a tin roof in the rain. Look forward to seeing you all in the next cool video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit a like if you like this. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my YouTube page. I do many awesome videos. I do all different kinds of videos. I also do music creating. I do history. I do documentations. I do vacation destinations. I do all kinds of stuff. But it sounds like the rain's slowing up. So I'm not sure if y'all can still hear the rain in the background. But look forward to seeing you all in the next cool video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Shutter.